Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. Wanted to show you a swim spa that we wired. We came out here about 6 to 8 weeks ago, and we had to move some breakers around, feed the swim spa with the new panel here, actually feed the sub panel here for the new swim spa, and basically just set in a main lug panel, kept grounds neutral separated, used a Myers hub, got our 1-inch pipe around here. We're also going to put in a SPD Article 285 right here to protect the swim spa. Really high short circuit current rating. We're also, this is an Article 680 under therapeutical. So we piped it around. Basement was already finished. Then from there, our disconnect within sight is about 40 feet distance as far as straight line but not curved. Right here is our GFCI we needed to set. Installed our slip coupling right here, and then maintained the direct burial depth here, and then you can raise up your burial depth because he wanted to put a cement pathway, so you really only have to be scratched in, but for scratching in you still need to be 6 inches so that concrete doesn't hurt it. Then we stubbed up over here. Left that whip really long with the light bulb turned on to make sure when they did the cement nothing got damaged. Tied it off here, tie wire and EMT, and then cement guys put around just a plastic tube to protect it, and then we came into the side of it and terminated in here. We also pulled 2 extra circuits because he said in the future he's going to get a lift, and it's a motorized lift to go up and down on the swim spa. These things have anywhere from 4 to 5 motors. You can see the depth in it. This is my second swim spa I've done. The other swim spa I did actually truly had a hot tub next to it. This one only required a 60 amp service. The other hot tub I did last year had 2 60 amp services. So it was, I guess you could have pulled 100 amps out there with some, or maybe, yeah, probably 100 amps with some number ones. This just required 1, so we pulled that out. Again, the best way to do that, disconnect within sight. You don't want to attach it to a fence because the code says that, you know, that may not be a permanent structure, especially if damage or just somebody decides to change that or the HOA changes it. So there's really nowhere to set it on the unit itself because the code says it cannot be closer than 5 foot, but no further than 50. And we don't really want to post out here in the middle of the yard or to the edge. So anyways, guys, thanks for joining us, and hopefully it'll help you out just to kind of see why a sub panel was set to a disconnect to the swim spa. And it was quite the process. They did have a crane, by the way, lifted it out and set it in the yard, and then they had to roll it up. But our customer also had to get the cement poured. It used to be a big sandbox, and so he got that poured. You know, there's been some stipulation in Article 68026C, I think it is, on equal potential. If there's rebar in the cement, do you bond the rebar to the disconnect? You know, I think a lot of us can get a little bit too deep. I think a lot of it's common sense. You're going to want it bonded from here to the disconnect to the sub to the main to the grounding electrode system in Article 250-53. So, in my opinion, don't overthink these things, but the bottom line is you still have to follow manufacturer's instructions and the NEC. Thanks, guys.